Vote for Isaiah, a citizenship story by Anastasia Swin, illustrated by Jeff Ebler. Isaiah's quest for a seat on student council teaches about citizenship, fairness, cooperation, and friendship. Isaiah walked down the hall with a poster in one hand and a roll of tape in the other. "What are you doing?" asked Omar. "I'm running for student council," said Isaiah. "You're not running," said Omar. "You're walking." "Funny," said Isaiah. "I'm walking in the hall. That's the rule, you know." "I know," said Omar. "But I am running for student council," said Isaiah. "Why are you doing that?" Omar asked. "I want to be on the student council to have a vote for our class," said Isaiah. "That sounds like a good idea," said Omar. "Maybe you can vote for more recess." They both laughed. "Well," said Isaiah, "I do want to be elected to help our class, and I guess more recess could help." Maybe I can help you," said Omar. "Let me see your sign." Isaiah held up his poster. "Vote for Isaiah," read Omar. He looked up at Isaiah. "That's it?" "What?" said Isaiah. "It needs more," said Omar. "More?" asked Isaiah. "Like what?" "Like why people should vote for you," said Omar. "Oh," said Isaiah. "Why should they vote for me?" "There are lots of reasons. Maybe the sign should read, 'Vote for Isaiah. He's really smart and friendly and honest,'" said Omar. "But that's too much to put on a poster," said Isaiah. "Okay," said Omar, shrugging. "How about he's smart? That will make students want to vote for you." "You really think so?" asked Isaiah. "Where should I write it?" Omar looked at the poster. "It will fit right here at the bottom by your name." "I need a marker," said Isaiah. "I have one in my desk." "What color is it?" asked Omar. "Blue," said Isaiah. "Why?" "The rest of the poster is blue," said Omar. "It will all look the same." "How about red?" "I never thought of that," said Isaiah. "Good idea." "I really like art, just like my dad," said Omar. "I have a big red marker in the desk that we could use," said Omar. "Okay," said Isaiah. The two boys walked back to the classroom. "What is this?" said Omar. "There's a sign on our door." "Grade 3, vote for Melinda," read Isaiah. "She can't do that," said Omar. "The office said I could put signs on doors and walls too," said Isaiah. "But she's not in our class," said Omar. "She's in Miss Johnson's class." "Anyone in third grade can run for student council," said Isaiah. "But we don't want her to win," said Omar. "We want you to win." "Thanks," said Isaiah. "Let's take down her sign," said Omar. I, I don't know," said Isaiah. "If I take down her sign," said Isaiah, "will she take down mine?" "Oh," said Omar. "That's a good point." He looked up at Melinda's sign. "I just don't think it's right to take it down," said Isaiah. "It's her sign, not mine." "But it's on our door," said Omar. Isaiah sighed. I know, he said, but we want the vote to be fair. If we take down the sign, we won't know who the class really wants. I didn't think of that, replied Omar. Besides, Isaiah explained, if I have to cheat to win, I probably don't deserve to be on student council anyway. I know. We can put my sign on their door, said Isaiah. The kids in Miss Johnson's class can vote for me too. That's why you need to win, said Omar. You have good ideas. Isaiah smiled. Let's get that red marker, said Omar. I want you to represent our class. Isaiah and Omar opened the door and walked into the classroom. I only have one sign, said Isaiah. I think I need to make more. I can help you, said Omar. He took the red marker out of his desk. Come over to my house after school, said Isaiah. I'll bring my art stuff, said Omar. Great, said Isaiah.